In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy apps from Google Play Store. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's where you can safely browse, purchase, download, and manage apps. Once you open it, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in before moving forward, since purchases are tied directly to your account. Next, check that you have a valid payment method added to your Google account. This is important because paid apps can only be purchased if a payment option is already set up and ready to use. If needed, you can update your payment details before trying to buy anything, which can help the checkout process go more smoothly. After that, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store to look for the app you want to purchase. Type in the app's name, then browse the search results until you find the correct one. When you see it, tap on the app to open its details page. This page gives you a closer look at the app, including its description, screenshots, ratings, reviews, and price. Taking a quick moment to review this information can help you confirm you're buying the right app. When you're ready, tap the price button or the buy button. You'll then be taken to a purchase screen where you can review the transaction details. At this stage, double check the price and confirm that the payment method shown is the one you want to use. It's always a good idea to pause here and make sure everything looks correct before completing the purchase. To finalize the transaction, complete any required authentication. Depending on your device and account settings, this might involve entering your password, typing in your PIN, scanning your fingerprint, or using facial recognition. This extra step is there to protect your account and prevent unauthorized purchases. Once that's done, wait for the purchase to be processed. If the payment goes through successfully, the app will automatically begin downloading and installing on your device. This usually only takes a short time, depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, you can open the app either from the Play Store page or directly from your home screen. From there, you're ready to start using your new app. That's all it takes to buy apps from the Google Play Store quickly and securely.